Hi, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing some pier fishing. This footage was taken during the Memorial Day weekend. If you saw our last video, you saw the sharks that we caught during that weekend. And this is part 2 of that same series, showing you everything else. We caught quite a bit of non-sharks. We decided to put all the sharks into one video and put everything else into this one. So, there's a lot of good fishing in here. Hope you like it. If you do, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we'd love to hear a comment from you. Okay, we got something here. I think it just got in, or just hit the water, didn't it? Sure. I'm guessing we got another shark.
Yeah.
We got another shark. No, another big gaff top.
Big gaff top.
Seem to be a lot of these here today. Not heavy, is he?
That's a bird, man.
All right, dude. Pretty good size.
How's it going?
Oh, you are slimy, dude. Got some cool colors in them. Everything does tonight, it seems like. Okay. Now Amber's got her gaff top for the day. And I got slimy hands again. Still seems like something pulling, but shouldn't be anything big enough to take that. How in the hell did you get hooked on there?
It's hard.
That was a fish head, though. It knocked the head off and took the hook. Ow. A little trout. Not what I was expecting. Probably something, either that or something else did pull it off. Dude, look out. Why not? I don't know if we're going to be able to help this guy, but we got a little pigeon stuck in the water. He can't get out, so if he'll float a little closer, we can get him with the net and help him out of here.
Yeah, sounds closer.
See how it goes. And this thing is all tangled. Isn't gonna help. Whoa.
The waves are pushing too far.
Well, he's Amber. I'm trying to untie it. Uh-oh, he's going away. I don't think I'm going to be able to help you, Mr. Bird. Hey, keep it up. There you go. Flap. What's up with us in rescues lately? Well, I'm trying to get it untangled. I don't want to throw it, it might hit him. That didn't help. That is not helping. Can we stop at the waves for a few minutes?
The waves are too big. Oh, he's so far away. No way we're getting to him now. No. No, dude.
Well, if they keep pushing, they'll push him to shore.
Maybe. Oh. He's coming back.
But where? You gonna make it this way or that way?
I think he's going over there. The waves are pushing him too far back. Okay, over here. No.
Okay, he's trying to get over there. Oh, here comes the wave again.
This one isn't bad. Oh. You might be able to go over there.
Yeah. Trying to.
Come on, dude.
Swim for your life, bro.
Oh, he's actually getting really close to the pier.
Let's go get him. It's almost there.
You gonna save it?
We're trying. He got close to us over there, then those waves hit him.
Let the sharks get it.
Then they won't eat my bait.
They'll come and they'll hear it, or they'll, whenever they feel the vibration from the water. Go ahead, man, try to get him. Okay, bud.
And here comes the wave. There he goes.
Now what you do, dude? Come over here. Come on, dude.
Getting close.
Hey!
Got him. Yeah.
I mean, my eco instinct wanted to see if they swallowed up by a shark like this.
Probably tired now. All right, walk out of the net. Try to don't go flying. No, let me have the net back, okay? Go. Well, don't come to me. I'm not protecting you. Get out of the net.
Get out
There we
of
go.
the net,
Come on.
dude.
A little farther.
Beat that. Okay. Don't.
Get dumb. I'm not coming after you again. Stay here and dry off.
They're both back in.
Okay. Guess we did our good deed for the day. What you got?
It is. It seems bigger than the catfish.
I hope so.
It's still
It
catfish.
is a bigger catfish. The bigger catfish is bigger than the small catfish. All right. Settle down.
The catfish likes the fish bites today.
Yeah, I noticed. Well, we got a couple of heads there, and we have some to be ready to be cut.
I don't like heads.
To what? Nothing? Pair of cats?
Maybe.
Actually, that was pretty big. Whoa, hold up.
That's not a cat.
No, it's not. Net. I don't know what that is. It's big.
Okay.
Or it looks big from down there. You know how the... Huh?
I don't know what it is.
I don't know what that is either.
Get up here.
I do not recognize that fish. Let's see what we got. Oh my goodness, it's a
It's
rope.
speckled.
Huh?
It's speckled.
That is.
Yes.
No. Back a little more. Almost. Got him. That is a big speckled trout. I didn't recognize it because it's so big.
Yeah. That's got to be my best speckled.
That's our best speckled. What's the regulation on speckled?
I don't remember. They changed it. Let me see if you work on getting them like that. Let's see if I can find.
Okay. Good size speckled trout here. Looks so fat down there, I didn't even think it didn't even look like a speckled. Wow.
Way bigger than
Where's the tape measure?
James, in this pocket right here. Measure it. Let me see. I'm still trying to bring up the website.
Okay.
So we'll go from
Oh wait, I was on that.
18.
Just over 18.
I think he's too short. I'm still trying to bring the equipment. They changed it, James.
Well, we have here an 18-inch speckled trout. That's a pretty big fish. Catfish. That's a big trout, though. I guess we can keep one fish for the week.
We have to throw back all of the 18 sharks we caught.
Another big speckled. Crazy.
Huge.
Huh?
That's a sand trout.
Oh, is it? Oh my goodness. That
It's
is.
a big sand trout for a sand trout.
Wow. Hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up. Very nice. He's not very happy. I think we're going to get this hook out of his mouth.
They like
Okay,
this.
it's a nice little trout. He's not a speckle. He's a sand trout. Your ma is off to a good start.
Wow.
You see the other one? Did you see the speckle? Speckle's bigger than this. Those were both, I think, fish bites. These sand trouts are coming in good size. That's a speckle. Is that a speckle? Nope. A little.
Almost as soon as I hit as soon as I throw it.
Coming in fast. Let's see what we got over here. Looks like we got another big one.
Feels that way, but feeling is deceiving sometimes.
Yes, he's fighting. There he is. Yeah. So big. Is that a big cat? Yeah, big cat.
The cat.
Got him.
I need to upgrade this. I really need to upgrade my pole.
Nothing too exciting, just a big catfish. Yeah. Too bad, it looked like a good hit. trout bait is picking up. Getting lots of little trout bait, trout bites. What do you got? Got a. What do you got? All right, I got it. What do you got? Oh, it's just a gaff top. No, it's not even a gaff top. It's just a big ass hardhead.
That's hard.
That is quite a hardhead.
Is that even a gas top?
Nope, he is just straight old.
Okay. Wow.
Don't you stab me. I will not be your friend if you stab me. Dude, I'm trying to put you in. You are slippery. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. I guess if you're gonna catch a catfish, it might as well be a big one. Damn catfish. Go away. Okay. Amber has got a little black drum, but I think he's gonna be too small. Do we have a tape measure somewhere?
Yeah, here, hold him.
Come on, bro. What is it on black drum? 14? Well, I can't do everything. 2 hands. Is he bleeding or is that me?
1 centimeters again? Yes. He's 11.
He's 11 inches. I know that's under regulation, so we're going to send this little guy back. Ow. What was that on? Just the fish bites?
Yep. He felt weird too. He acted like a shark.
Got it. Oh, net, quick. Big ass red.
Is it really? Get here. Nice.
Hang on. Hold on a second. Oh, don't start this crap. Damn wind. Just let him sit still. There you go. Got him.
21 to 28. 17.
Well, get the tape. He's 20. About 20 and a half.
They said that's the best one to eat.
It's pretty good.
Yeah, see?
Leave it
See, when
in.
they get 39 inches, they're full of worms.
They're pretty good. Leave the
Dude.
scales on them and put it on the grill, scale down.
Oh, shit. He's slippery. We said 20 to 28. What was that?
What was he?
Like 20 and a half. Good. In the camera.
Say you need to get him in your camera.
Yeah. All right. Cool.